500 grams as a fraction of 2 kilograms. From the SI unit table for mass, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 2 kilograms will be equal to 2 kilograms times 1000 grams all over 1 kilogram. Simplifying, 1 kilogram divided by 1 kilogram will give us 1. 2 kilograms divided by 1 kilogram will give us 2. 2 times 1000 grams will be equal to 2000 grams. Now we express 500 grams as a fraction of 2000 grams. To express 500 grams as a fraction of 2000 grams means 500 grams divided by 2000 grams. Simplifying, 2000 grams divided by 100 grams, we are left with 20, and 500 grams divided by 100 grams will give us 5. Simplifying further, 20 divided by 5 will give us 4, 5 divided by 5 will give us 1, which equals 1 over 4. Therefore, 1 over 4 is 500 grams expressed as a fraction of 2 kilograms.